my channel. Today we are going to draw Chococat, a super cute character from the Sanrio family. So grab your pencils and let's get started. Okay, let's start with Chococat's. Let's start with Chococat's eyes. So let's draw perfect circle. For his eyes, and let's make a circle inside it. And color it in. Now let's make the second eye. We're gonna come across and make a nice perfect circle. And a smaller circle inside it. Okay, now let's draw Chococat's nose. So we're going to draw like a triangular shape for his cute little nose. Now let's draw a great circle for Chococat's head. So we're gonna start from here and we're gonna continue making the circle. Okay, this is looking so cute, but Chococat now looks bald Chococat. So first of all, let's make his ears because I don't want to make him look awkward. So let's make ears for our cutie little Chococat. Well, I didn't know before that Chococat's a girl. I thought Chococat was a girl, but he's actually a boy. So that's why he's not a cutie. He's a coolie. I don't know. So I want to make Chococat a girl. I just want to. Let's call Chococat a girl. Okay, now let's start with Chococat's. Oh, I didn't make this part. So we're gonna make Chococat's hand. They're facing upward. And we're going to come across and make another one. Oh my goodness. Connect it. Don't forget to connect them. Okay, now let's make Chococat's body. So we're gonna start from here. I'm making the outline of Chococat's body. Super duper easy. This is so easy, like a tortoise without a head. That's creepy. But okay, now we're going to make his dress. Chococat cannot be without a dress. So we're going to make his dress. I think that looks kind of like a swimming dress or something. But we can call that a dress on Chococat. Now we're going to make this for details on our Chococat. And our Chococat is completed. And what do you think of my drawing? The comment section is always there to tell me that if you like my drawing or not, and what other characters you want me to make. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye!